Patrick at Pals. You know, these Nissans are great vehicles. This one has got the raised roof with an air conditioner on top, but it's not a camper. You know, they do the same things with the Sprinters, they'll put them together as a camper. This one is made for dogs. These folks are great customers of ours, Valor Show Dogs, and they do a wonderful job taking care of their animals and showing them. Why is it here? Well, it's here because they need the air conditioning in the truck to keep it cool, and it isn't working right now. So we're going to put in a compressor, condenser, and expansion block on this unit. And you can see they're vacuuming the system down right now. And this is a very important thing with this vehicle because the animals inside have got to be cool. Now the roof unit is working fine, but we're equipped to handle that as well if it goes down. These vans are so wonderful to use. You know, it used to be you had a G van or you had the Ford van, the Econoline, and even in high top they didn't have as much storage as these vans have got. Now you can see on the back this customer is prepared for any endeavor. They've got their generator right there. That's because the animals inside the van have got to stay cool. So if something happens, they can start that generator and keep the animals cool. We'll make sure that the front air conditioning works great by the time it leaves. And it'll have a 3-year, 36,000 mile nationwide warranty, so when these folks are traveling, they can get help on the road if they need it. If you've got a Nissan van, bring it to Pals. See you soon.